morning. Shift 3. It's Wednesday the 19th. Our shifts start from Sunday to Saturday. So although I was in last week, I was in Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Sunday and Monday counts as the start of this week. So I had yesterday off and then I'm in for 5. So a 6-day week this week. I wouldn't normally do it, but I'm busy as hell and like you just can't do that, you know what I mean? So I said I would do 6 this week for them and also work the Sunday as well. So I'm in from today till Sunday night and that'll be me. So let's hope this one goes half as good as any of the shifts last week. It's all +3, all for Tesco's Livingston in, well, we'll see. It's telling me I'm going to get there for 10:36. I was a 6 AM start, but the trailer wasn't ready. It was on the bay. I had to sort it all out and whatnot. So out the yard for, what time is it? It's 8 minutes past 7 now, so just after 7 o'clock. The new trucks are out. Got a phone call off so-called pal, rubbed it in last night that he was driving the new one. Absolutely lovely. It's like just good. Lots of cameras all the way around, front, sides and back. So I'm dying to get my hands on that and then I can share what they're like with everybody else. But it was good, he got out with it. Finally they're on the road. It's all hands to the pump this week I think. Could have jumped on the outside lane there and gone around them because I could have them on the hill. These cranes on the quickest. I can imagine it's going to be quite snarly around Team Valley Metro Centre and my side of the water. See what this can do. Yeah, no bother. They'll not flash you because they'll be doing it every 2 seconds, wouldn't they? Got a new trailer anyway. I've got the new ones they've bought in, a few brand spanking. Not sure about them. They're okay. It's just that you can't move when you hook up your electrics and your airlines. There's no sliding. It's fixed to the centre, so you don't back on all the way. Otherwise, you're gonna have a job getting hooked up. You gotta get clarty as hell with your trousers will have with the oil on and everything. So I just backed up 2/3 of the way, plenty of room then to get in the back and just hook it on. It's in order with the truck, if you know what I mean. There's no crossing cables or anything like that. But right, I just thought I'd show you what I meant by this. This is a fixed position, doesn't move anywhere, but they're all in line if you see where every one of them should go. So you've got that on that side to that side. It's really tidy, no chance of anything getting tangled up, but when you hook on, when you clip it onto the back of the trailer, if you do clip on, you're going to have a heck of a squeeze to get over the two far ones. You can do it, but you're going to end up getting your trousers covered in. These are clean, but a lot of them aren't, unfortunately. Big chunks of bloody grease all over your trousers. Then that goes into your cab, all over your hands. Horrible. So you just back on 2/3 of the way, and then you can clip on comfortably. It's nice. I mean, it's a brand spanking new trailer. Nice inside. Just turned it off for a second while I was talking to you. Fire it back on. There we go. Set at 3. Current temperature is like the menus that it's 3 already. It's cold, so it won't shift much. If you can turn it off for an hour a day, it'll stay at +3. Nice big chunky tyres, super thick them, like they're good for winter tyres them. And every time we go on a bay we push that in, and turn it, it drops all the air out and it drops to a nice level and the brake comes on. That's why the brake is at the back, so if I do have a dry steels today and I've got to get on the bay and it's flooded, it ain't going to be great. Bits of rubbish again, it's losing battle, it really is. So that's Haddington.
The first team picks, there's 11 players happy. And
hopefully I don't need that.
Because they're not starting.
Day 30. Had to phone them up for the reference number. The one that was in the paperwork was wrong. Luckily I didn't have to go to the office, it just went buzz me back when you've rang them and got the reference number straight away, so no problem, no problem. Got all sorts on the back. From Cremila squirty cheese to dry roasted monkey nuts. Right, off to Bartlett's. I remembered the slip road this time. Remember last time I did this one, it's been a while. I ended up missing it and went flying around. Had to go right to the end and turn around. Oh, bloody miles I had to go. About 3 or 4 miles added to me turn around. Right, we're on the right road. Last time I went over the top here, I missed it. I thought it's such a beautiful day, I'll take you in to Bartlett's from the M8. It might help people who haven't done it before. I don't know. What a cracking day, absolutely gorgeous. Wait long. I'll just fire some nice chill music on. Don't worry, it won't be Christmas jingles. I'm not into them. are. Straightforward as that. That for me is the best way in, best way out. See how long I'm going to be here for. Hopefully it's just a straight trail or swap. Just don't know. There's John, my favourite. Okie dokie, what time is it? We're out of here anyway. 1:25. It's telling me to turn right? Absolutely not. They had it sitting underneath another trailer there. He said, oh, it's on bay 4, it won't be ready for an hour. There's a canteen upstairs, the lunch is on if you want to just go up and get something to eat. Like, oh, well, okay. So I went upstairs, seen a lasagna, sorry, a pasta bake, not lasagna. And it was a vegetarian. I couldn't find the meat anywhere. Still alright, once I put a little bit of salt and pepper on it. It was fine. A cup of tea and then went back, sat in my truck, started watching one of my episodes I'm into at the moment, and 10 minutes ago the guy come out and he went, I'm sorry mate, he says, your trailer's ready, it's the one that's up there. But they'd only just put it up there, so it was only like another 5 or 10 minutes I could have been away, but that's 5 or 10 minutes. That's the difference of a 15-hour shift or a 12-hour shift, you know. It can be at the end of it. Hey ho. They're all dead nice in there, they're just so canny. I love John in the gate, he is one of the nicest security guards you'll probably ever meet. John at Bartlett. Lovely, lovely fella. He's part of the because there's a Greasy Joe's just to the left. Snack Shack. Should be called Heart Attack. We've got another one here. That was at a pub, I think. Then you've got the chip shop just here. That's the one. And there's another thing just a little bit further down on your right as well. So if you're a trucker here, you often see them pulled up on the pavement here, going to that chip shop. But there's like a little summit down here on the right. Where is it? Where are you? Oh, that's the next. Oh, there it is. Jay's Kitchen. I'll stick with my vegetarian lasagna. Thank you so much. So I've lost my nice fancy new trailer. At least I won't be putting the first scratches on it. No doubt it won't be long before somebody does. Probably the fella that rang me up last night, knowing him. Where? Are you listening? I got the fancy new truck. Right, M74, M6, done. It's 3:15. Just about to join the 689. Which then takes us on to the A69. Shaved 10 minutes off. Got 1700 hours on my clock now telling me that's what time I'm going to be back in the yard. I'm going to stop for a coffee though. It's a coffee to go. Get me one in. And hopefully there's no one in that petrol station, otherwise there won't be. Call this one a night. Sit watching this for another half an hour. Hopefully it's the same time as start tomorrow, because even though it's going to be a 12-hour shift, it's nice to get finished at home, you know, at a decent time. We'll see. Catch you soon, folks.